There are many floor lamp products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best floor lamps from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Brightex Sophia LED Floor Lamp. Rating 4.5. The Brightex Sophia LED floor lamp will amaze you with its beautiful design and become an immediate conversation piece for guests. With an elegantly detailed pole and base, a warm bronze finish, and a lampshade in tan, this standing lamp will fit within Art Deco, contemporary, modern, vintage, mid-century modern, and other decor schemes. This Brightex lamp for the living room is created for safety and durability. With a weighted base, this lamp is hard to tip over due to its sturdy design. The tall lamp will still be safe if accidentally bumped into by pets and animals. This LED tall lamp will stay cool, no matter how long it's on, and it won't overheat. Brightex standing lamps are long-lasting and extremely safe. Number 4. Sunmori Arc Floor Lamp. Rating 4.5. This bright lamp adopts a combination remote control and foot switch, assuring convenience for daily life. Imagine the ease of the foot switch when you have your hands full with your coffee and daily schedule. Or imagine positioning the lamp slightly out of reach, but perfectly positioned for its sole purpose of perfect lighting. How ideal is a remote control? Both children and adults can easily turn on the LED bulb lamp in their way. Made of high-quality metal and weighted with sand, the base is sturdy and tip-resistant, effectively preventing the shaking of the indoor lamp. The construction prevents shaking and accidental tipping by anyone, including children. Whether it is placed in the living room or the bedroom, it is very safe and convenient. Number 3. Lepore Wood Tripod Floor Lamp. Rating 4.5. The lamp is integrated with a high-quality nature rubber wood tripod, which is enduring, durable, and aesthetic. Its sturdy design makes it wobble-free and safe to have around children and pets. Lepore wooden tripod lamp fits in modern architecture and decor. It has a unique stem with 3 wooden holders that make the lamp stable enough. Its rounded linen lampshade looks gorgeous and modern in almost any room in your home or office. A foot switch is conveniently located at the cord of the lampshade for quick and easy use. Number 2. Dimmable Floor Lamp. Rating 4.6. The standing floor lamp is fully dimmable, 0% 100% brightness, which is suitable for all room styles. This tall lamp is very easy to turn on and off. Turn the dimmer switch knob to adjust the brightness. The 3 lights hang on the arc branches of the floor lamp for the living room, which can increase the lighting range of the living room. The arc branches of the tree lamp can be rotated 360 degrees. The multi-head beige linen lampshade design provides the rooms with warm white color lights, great for modern and mid-century living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and other room decors. Number 1. Oyers 66 Gold Floor Lamp. Rating 4.7. These floor lamps for living room bright lighting is designed for a retro and elegant look that adds an aesthetic decor with beautiful soft ambient light to any space. This modern floor lamp is perfect as a gift for your family or friends. This gold floor lamp light source is stable without flickering and creates a soft and smooth atmosphere with light. Prevent eye fatigue and maintain an even frequency of light delivery with a purer light. This tall lamp is very easy to put together. Just follow the steps in the manual and assemble it from the top of the lamp to the base, and you can finish the assembly in 5 minutes. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.